If you're looking to focus on the most crucial steps for developing a personal finance forecast, consider these 4 key elements. 1. Set clear financial goals. Clearly define your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Prioritize goals based on importance and urgency. Your goals will guide the rest of your financial planning. 2. Create a realistic budget. Develop a detailed monthly budget that accounts for all income and expenses. Categorize expenses into needs and wants. Allocate a portion of your income for savings and debt repayment. 3. Regularly track and review. Consistently monitor your actual spending against your budget. Use tools or apps to streamline tracking and make adjustments. Regularly review and update your forecast as circumstances change. 4. Build and maintain an emergency fund. Include contributions to an emergency fund in your budget. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. These 4 steps lay the foundation for effective personal finance forecasting, helping you align your resources with your financial goals, stay on track with your budget, adapt to changes, and establish a financial safety net. If you found inspiration in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial stories and practical tips. Remember, you're not alone in your financial journey.